Welcome to Fulcrum Homedecor. My name is Pallavi and I'm here to help you transform your spaces into a home. Today is another video of a balcony makeover. You have seen a lot of these on my channel already. This is another balcony that we are making over in Pune, and we're making it into a study cum office space for the client. The client had only two balconies in the house, however. This was the larger one and they have a smaller one which is attached to the bedroom. This balcony, they wanted to convert it into a home office. Post-COVID, a lot of us are working from home, and this is going to be a continuous thing that the client is going to be using. So we needed the space to feel like a complete office setup, and yet it needed to have a little bit of continuation from the living room, because it was the first thing that you see when you enter the house also. So let me begin by showing you how the balcony looked and what we have done for it. So as you can see that these are the balcony doors that you enter the balcony from. This was the grill, and they already had a half of a ceiling or half of a lintel which was provided by the builder. What we went ahead with doing is, firstly we scraped out whatever wooden parts that you see which were cladding this paneling, which was cladding this part of the ceiling. Post that, we provided them with the proper GI shade. Once the shade was provided, we gave them a metal structure which gave us a definition of where the window would go. Once we had that in place, we went ahead with and then the electrical wiring, and then put a complete false ceiling in this place. The moment you enclose the space with a false ceiling, it starts looking somewhat like an interior space and not an outdoor space. The clients went ahead with beautiful finesta windows because they wanted a certain amount of soundproofing. Even for the ceiling, we have given some insulation which does prevent the sound a little bit. The layout that was chosen to go ahead with was to have the study table on one side and to have a seating on the other. As I mentioned, that this space is going to be used as an office only during the day. During the evenings, they would like to use this space as a lounging balcony area. They had this lovely niche which was already there. It was an empty space which we kind of made into a decorative niche. We gave them shelves over there so that they can house some books, some other artifacts if they want to. The desk is an elongated desk. It has two ends which has been provided with drawers so that a lot of their essentials can be stored over there. On the other side, what we have done is provided them with a lovely seating. This seating can be used to lounge in the afternoons if necessary, to sit and relax during the evenings. Now, since this seating will not be enough in the evenings, what we have done is to provide them with nesting tables on the side. These side tables have stools which are indented inside. They can be pulled out, and a nice conversational area can be created for the same. We've also provided them with paneling above the seating. It just kind of makes the space look like a lot more like an interior space. We finally finished off with a lovely wooden laminate. Now this laminate is in sync and in tandem with what they had earlier on their TV unit. We wanted to have a little bit of white marble effect, so we've given them that kind of a cladding on the top of the study table. What we've also used is a nice charcoal grey color to highlight the niche that was already there. Giving a highlight color in this beautiful camel rust color, and the same in the blinds, enlivens the space a lot. We've added a few accents of black here and there to make the space look beautiful. This is how the entire space now looks. Thank you for joining us for another makeover. We will be very, very happy to help you if you are looking to design or decorate or make over a space. All our details will be mentioned in the description box below. We'll also be going to show you some short videos of what you can do in your balconies. However, it is a lot of civil work that goes on behind putting a balcony together, so you may want to take your necessary permissions and things from the society that are needed. You can follow us on all our social channels. Links of everything will be mentioned in the description box below. I will see you again very soon in another video and another makeover. Till then, happy living.